Skyler is a ballet dancer from California. Skyler is all set to impress the judges with his singing on season 20 of American Idol. His full name is Skyler Maxey-Wert. Skyler Maxey-Wert sings For All We Know on American Idol season 20 auditions. He is a dancer, singer and songwriter. This makes him a multi-talent and a standout for the season. He began studying dance when he was 5 years old at Lancaster School of Ballet. Skyler Maxey-Wert, a multi-talented artist, has been granted the golden ticket to Hollywood. He studied ballet at the renowned Lancaster School of Ballet and the Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis School at the American Ballet Theatre. He has gone on to become a very successful ballet dancer. However, he has always had a passion for singing. He has performed in the Nutcracker with the Lancaster School of Ballet or the Donner's Ballet, Danbury Music Center and ABT. He has also performed at the renowned Daniel Albrecht's Dancing Against Cancer Gala and Nicole Giovanna Johnson's Grant's Safari. Skyler Maxey-Wert may be a dancer, but his vocal talents on American Idol demonstrate that he has a great future as a singer. Maxey-Wert loves traveling, especially with his family, which includes his mom, dad, and elder sister. They are his biggest strengths. He adores his partner Alessandro Martinez, to whom he got engaged a few years back. Martinez is also a professional ballet dancer and second soloist with the Proper Ballet. He was promoted to second soloist in 2020 and announced the news to his Instagram.